Hey everyone, it's Peter at Nelson Water Gardens. We're getting a ton of calls with this huge cold front that's coming through. They're projecting a hard freeze. We're seeing reports of 12 degrees in Katy, the middle teens in Houston, outlying areas. Apparently in my house it get to be 10 degrees. What can I do to help protect my house from a heavy freeze? A lot of you guys have irrigation systems that needs to be winterized. An irrigation system is required to have a backflow preventer. This is typically located on the side of your house. Make sure this is open. It's going to be made out of brass. It's going to look something like this. Now, when your irrigation system is running, water's coming out of the ground on a vertical piece. It's coming through this structure and then going back down. That's why you'll see this big, almost horseshoe effect on the side of your house. Typically, it's insulated and wrapped up. But in a heavy freeze, and this happened 5 years ago, the water in here will freeze and it will split this brass, even though it's this heavy duty brass. So what you want to do on the side where the water is coming from your main, which is the vertical side that's coming to the vertical valve, you want to turn that valve off. And then you want to, there's a little bleeder valve. When it's vertical like that, it's closed. You'll want to come in, open that to where it's horizontal. It's a quarter turn clockwise. And that will let all the water in this apparatus drain out, which prevents this from freezing and splitting. Any exposed pipes though, wrap them with the insulation. If you don't have insulation, put a towel around it, wrap it with some duct tape. But if you do this, you can protect your this is the main thing that's gonna break in a heavy freeze. You can protect this. This thing costs like $100, then you have to pay someone to go install it. It's worth the time to do. So that's really the main thing you're gonna wanna do for your irrigation system.